Hello and welcome to Just Learn Python. This is Python tutorial for beginners. We are in part 17 of this series and we are learning tuples. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you will get all the notifications whenever there is a new video is getting uploaded. Okay, in the last video we have seen how to create tuples. In this video we are going to learn about some basic operations on tuples, that is indexing and slicing, common operations on tuples. Like any other sequence, elements of a tuple can be accessed by indexing it. Indexes are used inside square brackets to access the elements. In example 1, we have a num tuple which contains some elements, that is numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So to access the first element, we are indexing from 0. The index starts from 0 and ends at length of the tuple minus 1. So here we are going to print the first element by accessing it by indexing it by 0, and third element by indexing it by 2. Likewise, fourth element by index 3. So let us print these. So we get first element, then third element and fourth element. As we know, tuple is immutable, which means you cannot change the values of a tuple. So let's see, here I have a mixed tuple which contains integer, float, string, list as well as a tuple inside it. So first we are going to print the mixed tuple, and after that we are going to try to change the value of the first element. Let us do that. Let us see what we get. So here we are getting an exception which says type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. That means you cannot change the value once it is defined, as the object inside tuple which is immutable. Here 1.0, hello, these are all immutable objects, likewise tuple also. But however, if the element of a tuple is mutable, then value of that object can be changed. So let us see that example here. In this mixed tuple we have a list. As we know, list is a mutable object, so we will try to change the values inside list. List is inside tuple, we are going to change the value of a list inside a tuple. Fine. So first we are going to access that list by indexing it by 3, because this is the fourth element in the tuple. We are going to access it by indexing 3. See here we are going to print that, print mixed tuple by indexing it by 3. Then we are going to access the first element of the list by using double index, that is mixed tuple 3 by 0. Okay. Then we can also access other elements by indexing it, like the third element by 3 of 2. Now after this we are going to change the value of the third element. We are going to assign the value 100 to the third element. Okay, and after that we are going to print it here. Let us see that. So now the first original list was 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and we are accessing the first element, that is 10, and the third element, that is 30. Now the third element, after assigning here, it is changed to 100. Okay. So remember, any element inside a tuple, if it is mutable, those objects value can be changed. We can also access elements backwards by using negative index. So now in the mixed tuple we can access the last element, which is a tuple, by indexing it minus 1. So we are going to see that now. So 8, 9, 10, which is a tuple, 8, 9, 10 values are inside a tuple, that we are getting it here. So we can also access the third element from the last, that is from the right hand side, can be accessed by indexing minus 3. This is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, that is string hello. Fine. So likewise we can also get second element from the right hand side, that is from backward, that is a list, by using negative index. So in this video we have learned operations on tuple, those are accessing and indexing. We also seen how to access items of a tuple. Suppose there is a list, and how to access the elements of a list by using double indexing. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the notifications whenever there is a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.